Hi, welcome back to Math 263 and welcome to week 12 of the semester. This is now our last full week of the semester, and then of course next week we will have a partial week followed by exam period. Okay, so this week we're going to talk about section 14.4 of the book. That's going to be a little bit of work we're going to have with arc length and with speed, and understanding how basically the arc length of a curve can be calculated. And we're going to talk about an important notion, which is of a curve parametrized by arc length. And that's an important notion in large part because you're going to see it again in Cal 4 if you're going to end up taking Cal 4. Okay, so that's about the content for this week. Let me also mention that we have our final test this week, and that will cover all of the material that we've seen since test 3. So that's all of the sections we had in chapter 13 are going to be fair game, and then the sections we had 14.1, 14.2, and 14.3. So I believe that's seven sections, and I'm going to choose 6 problems that will be on the test, and otherwise it's going to follow the same format as all of our other previous tests. So what you're going to do is you're going to log into Blackboard, make sure Proctorio is working, in particular make sure you use Chrome. You're going to go to the test in Blackboard, and the test in Blackboard will give you a password. That password, you're going to use it in order to log into the test on MyMathLab. You'll take the test on MyMathLab, you will write your rough work, you will submit your rough work in the Blackboard test in order to get partial credit on whatever problems that's appropriate for. But I do need you to justify your work in the as an attachment in Blackboard. Most of you have been doing a great job of this. A couple of you have had a little bit of struggle, so for those of you, please do try to get that submitted through Blackboard. It makes things much easier for me. Okay, the other thing is, as you know, well, like I just mentioned, the semester is ending. So our plan is for next Tuesday, so that's our last day of class, we will have a review session, and towards the middle of the week, I will post a study guide to help you prepare for the final exam. The final exam I know is going to cover a lot of material, so I'm going to give you some guidance as to where to focus your efforts and what to expect for the final exam. Okay, as always, if you have questions, feel free to ask me. Come to class, Zoom class on Tuesday. Come to our Thursday Zoom meeting as well. Come to my office hours. I have office hours both on Tuesday and on Thursday. And if those times don't work for you, send me an email and we can schedule an appointment outside of the regular office hour times. I look forward to seeing you on Tuesday.